Hey, Jack. What you doing, buddy?
I just forgot.
Owen.
W.
Oh, there's my healthy child. Owen.
Dude, hold on to the noodle. Hold on to it. You guys can pull you. Hold on to the noodle. You hold on to it. Get down in the water. Hold on to the noodle.
Hey, Jack. Jack.
Can you swim? Come over here. Come here. Push off and swim. I'm going to push from there. Okay. Owen!
All right, buddy. Can you swim out to your noodle?
I love you.
Jack, can you swim out to the noodle?
Here, Jack. Come swim over here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Where are you, Owen?
Uh-oh.
Oh, no!
Jack, say bye-bye.